excited to share with you a machine learning project that focuses on classifying iris flower using Python and a popular machine learning libraries. Me, Om Sortia, and my friend Pranav Savali will make you go through this project. Over to you.
In the first part of our code, we start by importing essential libraries such as pandas, matplotlib, numpy, and sequel. We use pandas to load the iris dataset, which contains measurement of iris flowers, like sepal and petal dimensions. Visualizing the data with the seaborn helps us gain a better understanding of it.
Uh, to prepare our data for machine learning, we split it into training and testing sets. This ensures that our models are evaluated properly. We use the train test split function for this purpose.
Our first machine learning model is support vector machine (SVM). This model is excellent for classification tasks. We create, train, and predict using the SVM model, and then calculate the accuracy score to evaluate its performance. Our SVM model is achieved a certain accuracy score. Here we are describing the data frame. Then we split our data into point 2. After implementing SVC, the model is trained. Now we are predicting our accuracy. It is 96.66.
Now next up is the logical regression model, a versatile algorithm commonly used in classification problems. We build, train, and predict with this model and calculate its accuracy score. The logistic regression model achieves a specific accuracy score.
In decision tree classifier models, our final model is this. Decision trees are powerful for classification tasks and offer interpretability. We create, train, and predict using this model and again calculate the accuracy score. The accuracy score is here we can watch it is 96.66. The decision tree classifier model achieved a particular accuracy score.
So finally, it's crucial to evaluate model performance beyond just accuracy. We generate a detailed classification report using the classification report function, and these reports provides insights into precision, recall, F1 score, and support for each class. It helps us understand how well our model are doing for each species of iris flower. And in conclusion, our project demonstrates how to tackle a classic classification problem using Python and machine learning. You can explore the code we use and try it out for yourselves. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find this presentation informative and inspiring. Thank you.